Your $500 a month savings habit is the difference between retiring free or continuing to work at 73. Picture this. You sit in your car at 9 p.m. outside Target, you stare at your banking app, and you try to figure out if $43 of toothpaste, detergent, and a birthday gift card will overdraft your account. At the same time, your coworker posts a photo from Cabo. It's the same job, same salary, same city, so what changed? One boring decision 6 years ago. She set up automatic $500 monthly payment investment into an S&P 500 index fund. Then she just ignored it. That account now sits at $43,000. In 40 years, it grows to over $3 million at a 10% average return. That's not hype. The S&P 500 has returned about 10% per year since 1926, through the Great Depression, World Wars, 2008, COVID. Now, look at two people, both 28, both earn $65,000 per year. Jessica invests $500 per month starting at 22. Amanda spends $500 on a car payment. At 65, Jessica has $4.3 million and Amanda has $461,000. Same income, different habits. Here's the part most people ignore. If you invest $500 per month for 40 years, you contribute $240,000, and that account grows to $3.16 million. Over 90% of that money is just coming from compounding growth, not from you, from time. Still think $500 is too much? The average American spends $273 per month on subscriptions and $280 per month on dining out. That is $553 per month. If you invest $280 instead of spending it on restaurants, that grows to about $632,000 in 30 years. That $273 on unused subscriptions grows to about $616,000. You're not spending $280 on dinner, you're spending over $500,000 on dinner. Start early and the math rewards you. So what about crashes? The S&P 500 has never had a negative return over any 20-year period, not once. If you stay invested, it rewards you. If you panic and you miss 10 best days out of that 20-year period, your returns get cut in half. 7 of those best days often happen during bear markets. Crashes reward the steady investors, but they punish the emotional ones. So here's your simple plan. First, open a Roth IRA at Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab. Then link your bank account. Then buy one low-cost S&P 500 index fund. And then set up automatic $500 monthly investments. And 5, stop checking it every week. The average car payment is $478 per month. At 10% over 30 years, that equals $1.69 million. So ask yourself, do you want a new car every few years or do you want to retire? Right now, there are 2 versions of you in the future. One checks an account with millions and one checks Social Security and continues working. Both depend on what you actually do this month. So open the account, automate it, and then go live your life. Let time do the heavy lifting for you. And save this video as a reminder of why you're saving. I run a community of women paying off debt and saving their first $100,000. If you're ready to start saving more, I invite you to join my $100,000 savings challenge on School. The link is in the description below. And if this message resonates with you, hit subscribe and I'll see you in next week's video.